So, 5 days ago, we discovered that we had 2 skunks coming into our backyard to eat, an adult and a truculent kit. All was captured in infrared black and white by our back porch security camera. The following night, a light turned on the camera itself, the result being our backyard night shots were in color. It stayed on overnight and it was still on throughout the following day, so I called our IT guy and asked him how this had happened and how could I turn it off and on as needed. "Oh, all of your cameras are equipped with lights," he told me. "Really?" We've had security cameras for nearly 10 years now, and no one had told us they had their own lights other than infrared. I asked Dan, the IT guy, to show me how to turn them on at night and off again in the morning. He spent the next couple of days experimenting with our system online via each of the camera's IP addresses, but although he was able to trigger the lights on, they'd only stay on for 30 seconds until they detected the next motion by the cameras. Finally, he hit on a different approach, using the DMSS app on our phones. Voila! Easy peasy, and I could do that from my phone in the living room while watching TV after the sunset without having to go to my office and fire up the computer. So last night we got full color after dark. We also got another surprise. 8 skunks showed up in our backyard. Just an educated guess, but I believe it was 2 adults and 6 kits. A virtual skunk population explosion in our backyard.